Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at something that's kind of interesting. These are the Zebra, and I'm probably going to mispronounce this, the Zebra Fuente Disposable Fountain Pens. And what I was figuring I would do is I would compare these to another comparable fountain pen, the Pilot Varsity Disposable Fountain Pens. So let's open these things up and take a look at them. And then we'll do some comparison between the two of them. Now, I got these on Amazon, and I'll include a link for both the Zebra ones and also the Pilot Varsity, the Zebra Fuentes and the Pilot Varsities in the description if you want to check either one of them out. Alright, so now I question the super packaging that these came in, being a Ziploc bag, but it was from Amazon, so what the heck. Alright, so Zebra Fuentes. And I got a red one, a blue one, and a black one. So what I'll do is I'll compare these to the red, blue, and black Varsities. Alright. Alright. So let's see if I have to do anything. So these are the Zebra. Zebra F-U-E-N-T-E Fuente Disposable fountain pen. That's not too bad. It writes okay. There's a little bit of ink leaking right there, but that's not anything catastrophic. So let's grab the black one from the Varsity and we'll compare. So this one is the Pilot Varsity. Do y'all notice something kind of different about this? Do these look super similar? Is that just me? Anyway. Alright, so this one is a Pilot Varsity. Alright. My first observation is the Zebra seem to be smoother on this paper. And this is just standard like printer paper or copy paper, that kind of thing. No, nothing special about this paper. Now, if you look here, there's a little bit more, there's a teeny bit of like feathering there. And the Pilot Varsity was a bit cleaner. So, I don't know. Let's try the blue one. So, Zebra. Zebra. This one isn't writing so well. Fuente. Maybe it needed a minute or two to kind of like warm up. Disposable fountain pen. Alright. That one definitely did not write as smoothly as the black one. Let's try the blue Varsity. Pilot Varsity. Okay, that one wrote super smooth. I'm wondering if we're getting just some, basically, we're getting like the variance between disposable fountain pens, where, you know, like the black one in this one was super smooth, the blue one in this one was super smooth, and it's just because these are kind of inexpensively made, to put it diplomatically. I mean, like, the Varsities are, I want to say, $10 for a pack of 7. And these were $3 each, $4 each. Not super expensive either. I don't remember the exact price. I think they weren't more than like $10 for the pack, I don't think. Alright, so let's look at the red one. So, Zebra Fuente. Okay, that's not bad. It was pretty smooth writing with that one. And we'll try the red one over here. And this is the Pilot Varsity. Those were both pretty comparable. I don't know. I think that your These these aren't different, are they? Zebra Fuente. Okay, that's kind of weird. The red one and the black one look similar, and the blue has a little bit of a different design to it. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Because, I mean, of the three, the red and the black from the Fuente were much better than the blue one. I wonder if this is like a new edition or an old edition that just got packaged with the other one. I don't know. Either way, they're not bad. I mean, like, if you're looking for... If you want to carry a fountain pen, like as a... like an everyday carry kind of pen, like you just want to carry a fountain pen, but you don't want to have the risk or danger of keeping track of a really nice, expensive fountain pen, I mean, these disposable pens are a pretty cool option. And, I mean, it's not like losing them is going to be a tragedy. You can just replace them with another pack, really. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Have y'all tried the Zebra Fuentes or the Pilot Varsities? Do you like one better than the other one? I feel like, I mean, this really sounds weird, but I feel like it's kind of a pen by pen, like a specific pen by specific pen basis. Because, I mean, as a group, the Pilot Varsities felt smoother writing-wise, but that's just because the blue one wasn't as good. Like, the blue Fuente wasn't as good. And I wonder if it's because it's like an old pen, or if it's been replaced, or they changed the manufacturer of it or something, and they packaged an older and a newer edition. Anyway, I'm not sure. But, let me know what you think. And if there's anything you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.